How to remove follow button on your Facebook profile. Well, to remove the follow button on your Facebook profile, you can change your who can follow me setting to friends instead of public. This is done via settings and privacy. So open up Facebook, and once you open up Facebook, you want to head into your hamburger icon at the top left and head into settings and privacy. Once at the settings and privacy, you want to scroll to the audience and visibility section, and under audience and visibility section you can see followers and public content, right? But here what you want to do is, so head into followers and public content, and you can see who can follow me. Instead of showing it here, setting it to public, you want to set it to friends only. So now I don't have this option. Now, why I don't have this option of only friends is because I have set my account to public, and since my account is a business account, anyone can follow me. So that is, if you do have your public account enabled, you'll have to turn that off. To turn that off, you can tap on three dots there and scroll down, and you can turn off professional mode, and then you can set it to the option that I showed previously. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.